everyone. We hope you're all having a good day. We're so excited about today's video.
Yes, we are. It's gonna be a good one.
It's gonna be a good one, so make sure you watch this whole video because we are gonna be doing an 80s costume contest. We're really excited about October. We've been patiently waiting because we have a lot of fun craft video ideas, treat video ideas, and today is a costume contest. A big thank you to today's sponsor, Merge Gardens, a really fun game that I love to play. It's fun, relaxing, and a game that I know that you're going to love. But not only that, they have some really fun episodes that are available to watch. I'll leave a link for all of that information and we're gonna watch it a little later. But we were inspired by episode number 2. And you can probably guess that it's 80s themed. So that inspired today's costume contest. Everyone is on their own to figure out what their look is going to be. And then at the end of the video, we'll decide whose look is the best.
I guess I'll be the judge of that. I'll give you guys 15 minutes. Time starts now.
All right, you guys. Do you know what you're gonna do? Hey, go get ready. Go, go, go.
I've been looking up some makeup looks and I think I know which makeup look I'm going to be doing. For my 80s makeup look, I'm going to be starting off with this color. Now I'm gonna blend it. Now it's time for a blush. And lipstick. I have the perfect hairstyle for the 80s.
I got my pants. I have a shirt, but it's in Gage's closet. Come with me. This is it. I know it's gonna be perfect. Alright, this look is it. Now I have to do something with this hair. I've seen pictures of 80s hair. I know what I'm gonna do. Mike's my favorite character from Merge Gardens. I can't wait to see what happens to him next. I'm gonna hurry and get ready so we can watch episode 2.
I was alive in the 80s, but I was a really little girl, so I don't remember a lot about the makeup. I've definitely seen pictures, so I'm going to go off of the pictures that I've seen of family members and the colors that I know were really popular in the 80s. I'm just gonna mix like a little purple in with some brown. I'll just kind of mix those shades. And of course, I gotta go in with some pink. I really like this shade here because it has like the shimmer. It's just a really pretty pink. I'm gonna do some blue eyeliner. I feel like that is something that I remember so many women talking about is how beautiful blue eyeliner was and also blue mascara. I don't remember a lot about growing up in the 80s. I just know that it was really fun. Fun to do stuff like this to kind of just remember little things. And I was talking to the kids about how I was born in the 80s and different things that I remember, different hairstyles that I wore, different TV shows that were popular. And that was really fun talking to them about that and just kind of reminiscing. 80s are so long ago to them, but it seems like it was just barely the 80s to me. Well, I'm liking this blue eyeliner. I get it, ladies in the 80s. So next thing I'm doing is blush. And I feel like in the 80s, blush was like the thing. I can't wait for Gage to see these looks. It's gonna be so funny. For my lipstick, I really wanted a bright pink, but somehow between me having a bright pink and then Layla being obsessed with lipstick, I have lost that.
I'm pretty sure my mom wore this hairstyle in the 80s. We need to hurry and get ready so we can watch the episode. My favorite character is Daisy, and I love her glasses. I can't wait to see what happened in the episode.
I have some gel and I'm just gonna put it in my hair. I found this comb and now I'm just gonna style my 80s hair. I think I'm gonna need a blow dryer.
While I don't really remember makeup from the 80s, I do remember the hairstyles from the 80s. A lot of side ponytails, a lot of bangs, also a lot of this. So we're gonna be doing that. I have my blow dryer, some hairspray, and this comb. It's very cute, by the way. I remember telling my kids about this, that I used to do my hair like this, and they were laughing, and I was like, I know, but it was so cute at the time. Rat this a little. There was a lot of ratting in the 80s.
I went through my closet and I think this is a really perfect 80s outfit. I can't wait for Gage to see my look. I bet I'm gonna win.
I look good. I can't wait for Gage to see this look. I know I'm gonna win.
Almost done with the hair. I do have an accessory that I'm going to add. Also going to be getting dressed. I feel like I kind of cheated. I had to buy a new outfit. I'm not fitting in my regular clothes because of the baby. And our looks will all be complete, hopefully, because time is running out. And I know everyone is so excited to watch episode number 2 to see what happens. Let me know right now from what you've seen, whose look is the best and who do you think is going to win the costume contest? All right, you guys are looking pretty good. Who will the winner be?
Me! Let's go find out.
Okay. All right, Gage. Who is the winner of this 80s costume contest? Okay, Layla, you go and show your whole look.
Do a spin. Okay, okay. Winston?
This is pretty good. Pretty good, Winston.
Okie dokie. Mom? Fanny pack. Okie dokie. Alright, I would have to say Winston wins this one.
Yeah! Winston wins! Woohoo!
Yeah.
Woohoo! I mean, Winston looks pretty good. He couldn't do makeup, he couldn't do all of it, but this looks good. He did enough. This was so much fun. If you want to see us do another costume contest, I think that would be a very fun thing to do. We could do a few more throughout this month. Let us know what look you would want to see next. But now we're going to watch episode number 2 of Merge Gardens. We're so excited about it. These episodes are so fun to watch. Of course, I'm gonna leave a link for you down below, so click the link or scan the QR code on the screen to download the game. Is everyone ready?
Yep.
Ready to watch? Ready to watch?
Yeah.
Gage, you did an okay job judging, I guess.
I think Winston looked the best.
He did look good. I agree.
Perhaps you should sell this place. That's so weird. Oh my! What the? Oh, hey there, ladies. Have any of you seen this guy, perchance? No. If he didn't just pop out of a bush, I'd say he's pretty handsome. Who you calling a bush, lady?
Another huge thank you to Merge Gardens for sponsoring today's video and helping us come up with this fun idea. Make sure you click the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.